Today in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to get 8 band in IELTS writing without using many hard words or tough vocabulary, and even by writing simple sentences. Even if you have not many ideas, still you can get 8 band in writing. And let's see this. This is the task that is in front of you on the screen. It is I have taken from Cambridge 14. The task is, some people think it's better to choose friends who always have the same opinions as them. Other people believe it's good to have friends who sometimes disagree with them. So this essay is having two opposite views. Both views we have to discuss. Along with that, we also need to give our own opinion. So let's see what the task written by an actual student in real exam situation. So this is the answer that has been given by a student who has been awarded 8 band. And we are going to learn in this that how he or she managed to get 8 band. And along with that, I am also going to share with you examiner's comment. This is really very important to learn, because this will tell you that what examiner expect from you. Examiner, what does he want? What things he want in writing that he or she can give you 7 to 8 band. So first of all, let's read what the student has written in real exam. So this is the answer, sample answer from real exam, and let me read this for you. Some of the people believe that friends with exactly the same opinions on different topics are better than ones that can argue with them. So this is a simple paraphrasing of the task. Means some friends say this and other friends say that, and he does not write his own opinion over here. After that, he writes first view. On the one hand, this is a linking device has been used by the student. On the one hand, comma, having similar interest on hobbies is a reason to start a friendship. So beginning of the friendship is having same interests or hobbies. In this case, people always have something to discuss. When the people have same hobbies, they can discuss things. So start is there of friendship. If your friend has the same view, if is a conditional sentence. If your friend has the same view of a particular problem as you do, comma, he can help you to find a solution later. Such friend will always support you. Future indefinite tense is used now, and take your side in any argument. He will be there for you in any situation. So simple sentences, only one conditional sentence is used. No complex sentence has been used by the student, and there we only find present indefinite and future indefinite sentence. The both are simple. Anybody can use them by learning simple rules of present indefinite and future indefinite. I think the students who think of doing IELTS, they can easily write in this way that the student has written. So first para, simple sentences and simple idea he has mentioned. He mentioned that to start friendship, common hobbies or common interests are essential. On the other hand, now the opposite view. Again, linking device or cohesive device. On the other hand, having equal opinions with you friend. You friend? No, it's your friend. So there is a small mistake. Having equal opinions with your friend is sometimes boring. So very simple sentence. Is, many tutors say that we should not use is. It's a very simple sentence, low level sentence. but you can see that simple is used. You always agree on every issue with each other. Always agree, simple present indefinite. And have no discussion or argument. If your friend disagrees with you, this is conditional sentence. You can discuss both views, reach a compromise, and come up with a suitable solution. So you can see that he has written small sentences and separated them with comma. But strong disagreement can often lead to a heated argument or even ruin your friendship. But when you have a very strong disagreements, that can result in death of friendship. So simple idea, disagreements and strong debates sometimes spoil the relationship. And throughout the second body paragraph, the writer has used model can. Can shows capacity or ability to do some work. Now next is writer's own opinion. In my opinion, comma, friends should not agree. So should is a model has been used by so simple first form. Friends should not agree on everything they are talking about. I think that this kind of friendship is boring and it is not likely to last for long. So such kind of friendship is boring and it does not it's not a long friendship. However means contrast, opposite view. A friend with the same opinion as yours will definitely support your point of view in any discussion, and it is wonderful thing too. So again, future indefinite and present indefinite. Now the conclusion. So he does not use phrases like now pen down or it has become crystal clear, or many ready-made sentences that some YouTubers or some IELTS trainers recommend you that copy my lines, copy and paste lines. There is no need to do any copy paste, or there is no need to cram the sentences. That will definitely reduce your score. So be natural, and whatever your natural writing is, write in that way. In conclusion, I would like to say that it is good to have different views on some topics or problems, but you should be loyal to the opinion of your friend. Everyone should appreciate their friendship and should not let stupid arguments ruin it. So both body paragraphs which he has written on the one hand and on the other hand type, he has summarized or sum up those per body paragraphs in the conclusion, and simple conclusion is given over there. Now let's see most important thing, that is examiner's comment. So examiner comments that the candidate has discussed both sides. Okay, the both sides are clearly discussed, there is no doubt about it, and provided his or her own opinion in the final two paragraphs. In the last two paragraphs, the candidate mentioned his own thoughts. Ideas for each point of view are developed and supported. So whatever the thesis statement or the main idea, that is fully explained and examples are given to support it. But there is room for further extension. The examiner says that further explanations can be given. So maybe one band reduced from this thing. The writing shows logical organization and sequencing of ideas. It means that the ideas are systematically explained on the one hand, on the other hand, then third is his own opinion. So this is called systematic. The writing shows logical organization and sequencing of ideas with good use of cohesive devices. Cohesive devices mean linking words. The ones that in this case, on the one hand, on the other hand, this kind of friendship, they are all cohesive devices. Paragraphing is used sufficiently, means there are two body paragraphs, then opinion, third body paragraph, then conclusion. So total 5 body paragraphs are there, including introduction. So all the paragraphs are clear and separated and appropriately. Okay, The range of vocabulary includes some less common items and collocations. Support you, take your side in, be there for you, reach a compromise. So, compromise, all these words are very common. Come up with, and there are only rare errors. Only one error is there. Instead of writing your, the writer wrote you, but this is okay, negligible. There is a wide range of complex structures with very few errors. So, whatever the complex structures were used, they were very simple, using but and however. There are two cases of missing articles, but both vocabulary and grammatical range lack the sophistication expected from a band 9 answer. So, the band 9 user writes more sophisticated, more delicate sentences, or may add more variety. But I think that the 8 band is a very good score. If you do not want to prepare for a long time, and within 1 or 2 months preparation you want to appear for IELTS test, so I suggest you that you should not copy anybody. You need not to learn very hard and tough words. Learn simple words, write in natural flow. And I also suggest you that you should read essays, sample essays which have been awarded 7 to 8 band by examiners. If you read 1 or 2 essays daily basis, definitely that is the best way of IELTS preparation. It will save your time, it will save your money as well. Thank you for watching this.